just like to
Nicolettes, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. Before I begin, I just wanted to say Happy New Year's because this is the first video I'm filming in 2018, and I hope you guys had an amazing night with your loved ones and have an amazing year, and thank you for such an amazing year. In 2017, I couldn't have done it without you guys, and I can't wait to see what 2018 brings. Leave a comment down below, tell me what your New Year's resolutions are because I'm curious to know. But as you guys can tell by the title, I thought it would be fun to do a video all about Ariana Grande's hair and little hair hacks that she uses to get those hair goals. I love Ariana Grande's hair and hair color. All about that is just goals. So these are gonna be all her tricks on how she grew it, some of the hairstylist tricks, and just some little like hair hacks that she uses on her own hair that I thought I would bring to you guys. I actually did one on her beauty hacks a while ago, and I'll link that one down below if you guys are curious to know about her beauty tricks. But if you guys like this, thumbs up. If you want more celebrities, let me know who you want to see next because I had so much fun learning her tricks. Not gonna lie, a little bit nosy. Still nosy in 2018. Nothing's changing. And New Year, same me. Yes. Also, head over to my social media, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, and become a part of that fam jam. And before I jump into it, make sure you guys go over to my channel, subscribe, and join the Nicolettes fam jam, and also hit that bell notification if you want to be notified every single time I upload a video like this. And that being said, let's jump into it. The first couple of hacks that I'm going to be sharing with you guys is Ariana's tricks on how to keep her hair nourished and healthy and also to grow. On her day off, she really likes to put coconut oil into her strands. So all you have to do is take coconut oil, melt it in the microwave for about 15 seconds and apply it to the ends of your hair. And this is really going to nourish your hair. It's going to help your hair grow over time. And it's just a really good, well-known treatment for your hair that Ariana lives by. Another hack has to also do with the health of her hair. She likes to actually put lavender oil onto the scalp of her hair. So I just applied a few drops into my coconut oil and mixed it all together and just massaged it into my scalp. Lavender oil is really said to help promote hair growth and also to help with an itchy scalp. So this is something that Ariana really likes to use on her hair, and I actually loved this hair mask. I tried it, and once I showered it all out, my hair was super soft and smooth. So I definitely recommend trying this out. And as you guys can tell, I just put it into a low bun and I kept it into my hair for a few hours before I washed it out in the shower. Now, once I finished my treatments, I just washed my hair out, I straightened it because Ariana has been rocking that sleek, straight hair recently and I love it. And now I'm going to show you guys a DIY trick on how to fake a long ponytail because Ariana is constantly wearing super long ponytails. What I like to do that makes your ponytail so much longer is to make two ponytails. So you're going to go in with a low ponytail, and I just use a really small elastic band so you can't see it at all. And then the rest of your hair, you're going to put it into a super high ponytail because Ariana loves the high ponytails, and this is going to make your hair so much longer than if you just put it all in one ponytail. I love doing this as a DIY like ponytail extension trick because you don't have to grow your hair out and you don't have to get extensions, but it looks like your hair is so much longer than it is. So I definitely recommend doing this if you guys kind of replicate Ariana Grande's hairstyle look. Definitely try this one out. One of her little hair hacks to have a sleek ponytail is to take one of the strands from your ponytail and wrap it around your elastic band so that you don't see the elastic band. This just gives it a nice polished look and it's just more put together, and it's so much nicer when you don't see that elastic band and you just bobby pin it down. Ariana constantly rocks this, and I think this is a really good trick to spice up your hair and give it more of a sleek Ariana Grande inspired look. So I actually found this next hack from her hairstylist, and he actually uses gel to give her that sleek ponytail. But what's really crazy is that he uses a gel called Guerrilla Snot, and it's a $3 gel, but apparently it is amazing and it does the trick, and he uses this on Ariana all the time, and he also uses this on Kim Kardashian and other celebrities. Now lately I noticed that Ariana Grande has been throwing some braids into her ponytail. So all I'm doing is I'm taking the crown area of my hair and I'm making a braid only about halfway, and then I'm just going to flip it over and put that into my ponytail. And I'm still doing the double ponytail look so that my hair still has that long ponytail effect. So once I did this, a lot of you guys probably have seen her rocking these earrings in her hair lately, and I think it looks so cool and edgy. But I have a really cool hack that you could do to achieve this look if you don't have the earrings, let's say, at home. All I did was I took a notebook and then I took the spiral out of the notebook and cut up the spirals into little pieces so that it's the same shape as an earring. And what was really good about this is they were a really good size. And what I did is I started to apply them into the braid and just go down the row just like she does. And this is really great too because you can adjust it, and once it's in your hair, I just closed it shut. And I just think this was really cool, and I loved how this turned out. It was really different and I kind of enjoyed it, not gonna lie. Always see Ariana rocking hats even though she still has her high pony, and a little hair hack that she does is she actually cuts her baseball hats or her little caps that she's wearing. And what I did is I just took a highlighter and marked it where my ponytail bump is. And once you cut a little hole, you just take your ponytail out and put it through the hole, and you can wear a hat with having your ponytail completely out. It allows her to still rock her ponytails but wear a cute hat as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed these hacks. I had so much fun making this. If you guys want more celebrities, don't forget to let me know which one you guys want to see. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it that big thumbs up if you liked it and wanted more. Hit that subscribe button down below to join the Nicolette's Fam Jam Circle uploads every other day here on my channel. And as well as don't forget to go hit that bell notification over on my channel so you're notified every single time I upload a video like this. But that being said, I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!